Hey everyone, this is Bikram Shrestha here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot on your PC, which is super easy. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Okay, so I'm here with my laptop, and in order to take a screenshot, all you have to do is hit the Windows button and the print screen key right here, one after the other. Once you do that, your laptop or PC screen will take a snapshot of your screen. Now, to take a look at the screenshot pictures, simply go to your computer and go to pictures. Now go to screenshot folder, and here you will find your all screenshot pictures that you have taken just now. So that's it guys, just follow the steps and take your own screenshot on your own laptop or PC. Thanks for watching, see you in the next.